If you're not up to 18 years, this drink is not for you. I'm not trying to judge you, but you know what? After making and drinking this drink at home, you understand what I'm talking about. I heard it, I made it, and I conquered it. Please, if your partner is not at home, remember not to take this. As simple as the ingredients may be, they are very powerful and mighty. To make this authentic tiger nut juice, we'll be using pineapple, tiger nut, coconut, some dates, cloves, even cinnamon seed. And to make it very fruity, we added some cucumbers. All this I washed and diced into smaller bits to enable my blender blend that so quick. Without the kind of blender you are using, please don't make your fruits and your veggies too chunky. Remember saying a hand make am. No human being wey God make dey break down if we no take care of our body. So as I put that into my blender to blend, as it was very smooth, I poured it into the cheesecloth. Using the cheesecloth, we make it not to allow the chaffs to trap into the smooth drink we are making. Gradually blend your tiger nut and everything all together. It actually doesn't matter the sequence you used. What matters is that you are blending all together. Take note, my own pattern and style is that I blend my tiger nuts very different, like the emphasis on different. So apart from the dates, every other thing you can blend as you want. My blender is my Odogu blender, and of course they said okoko nwata bu ehi. As an Igbo girl, okoko nwata bu ehi. So this is me blending everything all together and trying to make sure they are properly blended. One mistake people do over time is that they think all these things can bring out juice on their own. Please, no. You need to add little water just to make your juice come out properly. Especially the tiger nut. You know the juice in tiger nut is not much. As such, you need to pour in water to bring out the milk properly. This my blender has been my savior for the past 5 years. It crushes tiger nut and have no mercy for being from the main source. Your things are authentic. I bring in some gadgets from the factory into the country and sell at affordable prices. If you want something like this, which can last for you over years, you can check the link in my bio. Please use the link in my bio to order for serious buyers only. So please, back to my tiger nut juice. It's always exciting for me to hear that I want to take tiger nut juice. My body will always be excited to work. It's always creamy and so yummy whenever I take this. Top secret, when you blend your dates separately, it gives it a thickening activity, or it helps the tiger nut juice to thicken. Another reason is that the date is very thick. It's difficult to go through the cheesecloth. Therefore, I make sure I blend them till they are very smooth, and then pour directly into my already squeezed out tiger nut juice. You call it tiger nut juice or tiger nut milk, whichever way. As long as you know what you're talking about, is fine. Our tiger nut juice is very much ready. The next thing is to transfer into containers. But please make sure your containers are very neat. For the purpose of good health, make sure you make this in a very clean environment with very drinkable water. Just like that, guys, our tiger nut is very, very ready. If your partner is around you, go ahead and serve with ice. If your partner is not back yet, please store them in the freezer directly or in the fridge. I like tiger nut juice when it's homemade. You are sure of the kind of water you are using to make it and the environment you are in. For more sweetness, you can also add honey. But remember, I also added condensed milk to this. For special effects, you can add some gins or kind of other alcoholic drinks. Whiskey or gin is fine. As for me, a good girl, my partner was around, so I took some with some ice cubes, and that was so yummy. What happened after drinking the tiger nut is not your business. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Like and comment, as that is well appreciated. You already know I love you and appreciate all your reactions on this video. Until then, take care of yourself, eat well. Me as I am here drinking this tiger nut, just know that my partner is around me. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.